wanted to do that, right? Think about this also, like if we're doing a shot and we're gripping the pants of the person and they're trying to sprawl, I have not as much leverage if I'm right under with my shoulder, right in their legs, and now I can move them. Make sense, eh? Okay, cool. So just some of those same concepts transfer over to our jits. So we're going to start with our hands just outside our legs. Okay, we're going to make sure we've got a lot of tension. Sometimes I see people deadlifting with space around their fingers and hands, so we want to white knuckle grip that bar, and we want to reach with our shoulders. But I'm also not in a squat position, so I'm not here like I want to make a clean and jerk. I'm here where I'm loading up my hamstrings. Okay. At the same time, what's required is a lot of hamstring range, so I can actually keep my back, my lumbar curve intact. Okay, so what I don't want to have happen is I take my knees back, but my back grounds out. Does that make sense? Okay, cool. So 3, 2, 1, go. Nice and tall. Hip and shoulder go together. Once I'm over the knee, I'm going to push my hip through. Okay, and get the lock out. Okay, same thing.